Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Choose a compact 24-pipe layout and a matching 24-key keyboard to keep the organ manageable for a home build. Design the case to be 24 inches wide, 16 inches deep, and 30 inches high. These dimensions balance resonance and floor space. Gather materials: 3/4-inch plywood for the case, a 6-inch bellows, or a small electric blower rated 12V0. 5L reservoir for steady air, 1/2-inch leather for valves, wood glue, screws, and basic hand tools. Construct flue pipes using metal or hardwood, cutting lengths from about 3.5 inches up to 48 inches to span your intended pitch range. Shorter pipes yield higher notes. Build a wind chest with evenly spaced pipe holes, spacing them 1 inch apart and routing 1/4-inch air channels beneath each hole to feed air to a pallet. Fit valve pallets with 1/2-inch leather for sealing, glue them to a pallet board, and ensure each valve closes airtight before mounting the pipes onto the chest. Connect the bellows or an electric blower to the reservoir and set blower pressure near 60 mm water column for a steady wind supply. Too much pressure will speak pipes harshly, and too little will choke them. Voice each pipe by shaping the mouth and adjusting the toe and languid, then tune by trimming the top of pipes until they match a = 440 Hz reference. Work in small increments and check intervals. Finally, seal the case. Install the 24-key keyboard and tracker action, test every note for response, and make.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.